Hey guys, so I was lucky enough to be invited to the opening of Singing in the Rain here at the Theatre. I really loved the movie when I saw it years ago, but I'm really keen to see how they translate that onto stage, so stick with me and I'll let you know my thoughts. For those of you who don't know, the stage production is based on the 1952 film, vastly considered one of the greatest on-screen musicals of all time. The production offers a light-hearted depiction of Hollywood in the late 1920s, during the transition from silent films to the talkies. I've been lucky enough to see a number of excellent shows, many at the theatre itself, but this is by far one of my favorites. From the moment you approach the theatre, you know that you are in for a memorable time. The attention to detail throughout your experience is really impressive and immerses you in the setting before you've even reached your seat. The show is packed with elaborate costumes, catchy music, stunning lighting, and, of course, the rain. Not only were the technical aspects flawless, but the amazing vocals and world-class choreography demonstrated that local talent is very much alive and well in South Africa. Whether you're a fan of the movie or know nothing about the story, I highly recommend going to watch Singing in the Rain. The show only runs until the 13th of March, so book your tickets to make sure you don't miss out. The entire experience was so amazing that I will definitely be going again. Maybe I'll see you there.